Don't forget to subscribe!
Hey everyone, this is Rika Furude, and welcome back to Yu-Gi-Oh! And in this video, we'll be going over the rulers of the Domino City Duel battles, which is Season 1.5. Let's go over what happened with the battles at Domino City. The girl from America has Rebecca Hawkins facing Yugi Moto in a duel for the ownership of Sullivan Muto's Blue Eyes White Dragon card. Legendary heroes known as Duel Monsters Quest in the Japanese version. Yugi and his friends participate in the Legendary Heroes virtual reality game to save Seto Kaiba. For Dungeon Dice Monsters, Duke Devlin blames Yami Yugi for the disappearance of Maximilian Pegasus and tries to exact revenge through the game Dungeon Dice Monsters. There's a total of 7 duels in this chapter. For duel number 1, it's Rebecca Hawkins versus Yugi Moto. The winner was Rebecca Hawkins. There was 22 turns. The flashback for the second duel was in episode 42, and it was Solomon Muto versus Arthur Hawkins. Arthur Hawkins won this battle. The third duel, Legendary Heroes, was episode 44. It was against Joey Wheeler and My Valentine, but the battle was interrupted, so let's just say it was called a draw. For episode 45, this Legendary Heroes chapter, it's the fourth duel. It's Seto Kaiba and Yami Yugi versus Joey Wheeler and My Valentine versus the Big Five Mythic Dragon. And the winner was Seto Kaiba and Yami Yugi. For episode 46, the fifth duel was Duke Devlin versus Joey Wheeler. Duke Devlin won the battle in 7 turns. For the sixth duel, there was actually a flashback in Dungeon Dice Monsters. It's Duke Devlin versus Maximilian Pegasus. Maximilian Pegasus won the battle. And finally, episodes 47 and 49, the 7th duel, Duke Devlin versus Yami Yugi. Yami Yugi won the battle in 44 turns.
Here's a piece of information that concludes this chapter. To be honest, Season 1.5 ends explaining what happens to the heroes of the show. For a moment of silence, Joey cheers and throws off the dog costume Duke made him wear, and everyone celebrates that Yami Yugi pulled off such a turnaround. And Duke is thoroughly humbled and afterwards apologizes to Yugi and his friends for how he treated them and admits that Yugi did have the skill to defeat Pegasus fair and square. They forgive him, and Joey, Tristan, and Yuki's grandfather admit that Dungeon Dice Monsters is really a cool game. Yugi is pleased that the ordeal is over, but Duke is surprised about being let off so easily. Yuki tells him that revenge only makes things worse, and that the best way is to apologize is to become friends. Duke offers the offer, and they join hands. And seconds later, Duke's laptop signals a message. He opens the email, and with a thrill, he sees that Industrial Illusions has sent a production contract after all. And this means that his game now has a worldwide market, and as all his new friends share joy with him. Yuki silently remarks on such friendship, and his other self shares a smile, thus ending this chapter. We apologize if this review was very short, but don't worry. Once we get to the Battle City arc, we'll be sure to make things a lot more interesting, because I know that this battle will just get a lot more intense than it has.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This video is a pain more than it should have, so I'm splitting it into 2 parts.